Hey y'all, my name is Kay, and on today's episode of Kay So Plant-Based, we are going to be making some fabulous green juice. So, let's get into it. For the juicer that I'm using today, it is called the KOIOS Vitamin Reap Juicer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but the link will be in the description box. So for our ingredients, we have some celery. Wait, oh my God. Cucumber. We have cucumber. We have some Granny Smith apples, dandelion leaves, lettuce, some celery, and we are going to use some lemon that is not pictured here. So first I'm going to start out with my ginger root. Next, I'm going to take the dandelion leaves. I almost called them root. I'm so used to saying root. Just squeeze that in there. Definitely put too much, but it'll be all right. Now we're going to add the lettuce. I'm just going to put in a little bit at a time so that way it doesn't get clogged up how I did with the dandelion. Now that the hard stuff was out the way, we are going to start juicing our cucumbers because they have a higher water content. It'll be easier for you to get out all the extra lettuce and dandelion leaves that are stuck inside of the juicer. Because this thing is already filled up, I am going to try my best to pour all of this juice into this huge measuring cup. All right, let's go for it. We did it, Joe. You're gonna be the next president of the United States. All right, we still gotta keep it on going with the celery. What is that? Oh, it's just... I love the sound of this. One thing I always recommend when juicing apples is to always have an apple cutter to make things easier. I got mine from the 99-cent store. You can get yours from wherever they have it. But you see how easy that is? And I juiced the entire apple, core included, no apple left behind, because you want to get a bigger bang for your buck. Lastly, we are going to juice our citrus, and I have a citrus juicer perfect for this, but you can use it in the big juicer. However, I don't recommend it because you get more juice out of this one. Now I'm putting in a little bit of lemon because we use all of those apples, and I don't want it to be too sour. I'm gonna take a serving spoon and stir it all up so we can taste it. All right, everyone, for the taste test, I invited my mom. Everybody say hi to mom. Okay. Cheers. God is love.
Lord, let this be nourishment.
Oh my God. This not too bad.
It's not bad. It got a little kick, little.
Because the ginger is a little spicy. Ketchup is spicy.
Okay. I can do this.
All right, y'all. Moment of truth. This is how much green juice we got with all of those vegetables. Now, we would have gotten a little bit more had me and my mama not been digging into this. I even still have a little bit left over in this big measuring cup. For the most part, this whole entire measuring cup was filled with green juice. But nonetheless, I think this is a great recipe. It's not bitter. It does have that earthy taste to it and a subtle spiciness from the ginger. Not spicy as in hot, but you know, just kind of has like that aroma that ginger gives when it's juiced. I think it's very good though. I definitely feel like y'all would love it, and shout out to my trainer Keith for putting me onto this recipe. This is his recipe, so give him a follow and go check him out. Thank y'all for watching Queso Plant Based. I'm Kay Brittani, and see you next time.